Hi vendors! Welcome back to Osaze Tutorials. Today, I will walk you through how to set up products on your Osaze store. Let's get started. From your vendor dashboard, select the Products menu on your left bar navigation. To add products, click on Add New Products and upload an image or several images from your computer or mobile device. You may also upload an image of your size chart for later. Once uploaded, set your featured image and add alternative images. Name your product and set your prices. You may also decide to set a discounted price or schedule your discount. Properly categorize your product and add a product description. And then, create your product. To add sizes, change your product type to variable and scroll to the attributes section. Select custom attributes and choose sizes. We have inbuilt sizing options and you may search or select all and choose from. Save your attribute and select Go. If your product has the same price for any size, you may click the horizontal bar. Add your prices, the weight, and save attributes. To include your size chart image in your product description, click on the plus sign to add a gallery image. Then, copy the URL for your size chart. In your product description section, type size chart and select the link icon. Insert your copied link to the word and save. Add your purchase notes thanking your customers and save. You may return to your dashboard and keep adding more products. Once your products have been reviewed, the status changes to online. You may make additional edits or view your products in different currencies. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial answered your questions. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out or leave comments below. Have a great day!